Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how you can take white background pictures for eBay or Amazon. You can do it without spending money or little bit money. So first method, when I started my eBay business, I used my whiteboard as a background to set it up, and then use a Photoshop to remove the out background. Then I upload the image to eBay and Amazon. Then I did a little bit experiment. This is the whole cardboard box I here. So I just spray painted it inside by. Then I took a picture. It's quite cool, but you need more lighting to set it up because there's no light inside it. But you can do these two ways. These are free to do it at your home. You can set it up the picture, then take a picture and go to Photoshop, remove the background, and re-upload it into eBay. Or you can go to the eBay, then you can adjust. If you don't have the Photoshop, you can go to eBay and adjust the contrast and light brightness, then you can upload it. But the third method, you have to spend a little bit money. This is the backboard here. It's gonna cost $99.99 on Amazon. A little bit bigger because I'm not selling clothing. I'm selling an item a little bit bigger than this one or smaller than these ones. So I don't need a big photo studio. So it is called this photo studio is called Photo Light Box, which I just call it. So it's $19.99. You can buy it on Amazon. You can see that is a bigger one. Just focus on it. Yeah, this is the bigger one. Actually, this is my photo studio to sell it. I took all the pictures from him for my eBay and Amazon. It is my garage. I don't have any bagels or nothing like that. It's my garage here. So if you open up, you can see it's a bigger one, and then you can have there's a LED lights in both sides, and you have a control here. You can adjust the brightness. So for example, this is a low light, then you can go up to maximum. So then stick this one, you can see it. Now I'm gonna show how you guys set it up white, and you also come with white background plastic here, and then it's a light pink I think, and there's a black inside. So 3 different backgrounds. I always use the white one when I satisfy with my pictures. If it doesn't have any shading or anything like that, I directly upload it into Amazon or eBay. If I have any shading, then I use a Photoshop to remove the background, then re-upload the picture. So I'm gonna set it up here, my camera here, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can put this one into the box and set it up, and how you can take a picture. Alright, I don't use a DSLR camera, sorry, DSLR cameras. I use my Apple iPhone for the pictures. For video, I'm using a Google Pixel. There you go guys, it's my background is all set up. You can take a picture like that, but you have to remember that the lights are diffused outside, so you will get what shading inside. So I recommend close this hatch here, and you can open to take pictures. So these are the perfect way to take a picture. So I'm sure you can continue watching how I took the picture, and I will show the end result after I took the picture. So I just put it out here. So you have to set it like that. So you can see it with the white background. You can see there's a difference between white background with this one and rather than those two. So okay, then I took a picture to using my iPhone, and I will show you guys the end result. Alright guys, one more tip. When you can see that, you can still see a little bit. If you set your camera in original, you will still see some darker side. It's not bright now. So if you're using an iPhone, so I recommend just go to, yeah, this is iPhone A7 something like that. So you can see it is an original. So I go to Vivid, then you can see the difference between original and the Vivid. So if I go back to my photos, I already took some photos here, so I can show here. These are the, see that this one is an original setting, and if I go back here, this is Vivid. It's totally is different from the original side. Now it's still, you can see it. I have it by background. Now I can edit it here, or I can go to Photoshop, remove the white background and add this image to the more white background setting. But still I'm happy with that. Just I'm gonna crop this picture to smaller one and list it on eBay. So what's the point of this, guys? The point is you need to have a white background image when you're selling on eBay or Amazon, because that will show you are professional, and the more this attract more buyers, as my experience I'm talking about. And one more thing, when you hire the guys to take a photo for example, take a photo of your product, they will charge you too much, because I'm living in UK. The guy said he's gonna charge for 12 images, he's gonna charge $70. Imagine that when you're starting your eBay or Amazon business with a small amount of budget, and you can't afford extra amount to take a picture. So just take a picture and learn about it. If you can't afford this one, it's 99. You can buy this cheapest ones. There's one is available $19.99 for small item like this stores here, for smaller item like that, or for the eBay Legos. Or if you want to go for a little bit bigger item, I recommend this one. If you want to sell clothing and everything, you need to have a white background setting, and then umbrella lights all set up, so you can set it up on the one wall like that. But when you're starting up that, this is the best idea. Or you can take a training with the whiteboard and use Photoshop to remove it. Either way, it's depend on you guys. My recommendation is upload the pictures with a white background. Even that's the best way to sell more items. So this is the different kind of video you will see in my channel. I said that before. I will cover variety of topics. This one of them is like a tutorials on eBay, Amazon and WordPress and affiliate marketing, and other type of video you used to see top 10, top 11, top 14, so something like that. So I will upload at least 3 videos per week for starting. Please subscribe, share, like my videos, and if you have any questions, please write me in the comments. If you like tutorial video like that, please tell me. I will make more of those. And have a nice day, guys. Thank you for watching.